In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for personal tasks. We'll walk through setting up a simple personal task board using one of Monday's templates, and then explore a few different views that help you stay on top of everything you need to do. Start by opening Monday.com and heading to your main home area. Once you're on the home screen, look for the option to create a new board. This is usually highlighted or clearly visible near the top or side of the page. Click that highlighted area to start creating your personal task board. When the creation panel opens, choose the option to start with a template. Using a template is a great way to skip the setup work and jump straight into organizing. It gives you pre-built columns and example items that you can easily adapt for your own life. Next, in the Template Center, use the search bar at the top. Click into that search field and type the keyword that's highlighted in your interface, then confirm your search. You'll see a list of templates that match. Find the template that's highlighted in your view and click on it to open the details. This template is designed to help you manage tasks visually and keep track of priorities and deadlines. On the template page, click on Use Template. Monday will automatically create a new board in your account using that structure. After a moment, your new board will open. At the top of the board, you'll see different views. Start by selecting the Asset Cards or Card Style view. This gives you a more visual layout of your personal tasks, almost like digital sticky notes. It's helpful for quickly scanning what you have going on. Then, switch back to the main table view. This is your core spreadsheet-style layout, where you can see task names, status, priority, and dates all in one place. Here, you can click on the priority column and set an item to high or any other level that suits you. This is useful for highlighting tasks that really need your attention. Next, update the status column by clicking where it says something like, Working on it. Choose the status that best reflects where that task stands right now. You can also click on the date field to adjust the due date, making sure it aligns with your real schedule. To see more details about a task, click directly on the task name. This opens a panel where you can add notes, break the task into subtasks, or attach files if you need supporting documents. Now, explore the different views available. Click on Timeline View to see your tasks laid out over a calendar-style timeline, which is perfect for spotting busy periods and planning ahead. Switch to Kanban to group tasks by status and drag them between columns like To Do, In Progress, and Done. This is great for a simple visual workflow. You can also open Team Workload and Progress Snapshot. Even if you're just managing personal tasks, these views can show how your time is distributed and how much progress you've made overall. Finally, return to the main table view whenever you want that clean, central hub for updating and reviewing all your personal tasks in one place.